done that so many times.
Let peace, stress free, let it be.
Why was that so tiring? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Ashley and today we are going to be packing our suitcases because we are going on vacation. Finally, it's been so long. My boyfriend and I are going to Tulum and I'm going to be bringing you all along with me. If you've been here for a while, you may have seen my previous videos when I went to Tulum in 2019, I think, which was so exciting. It was such a fun trip. I loved it so much that I'm going back. And we're gonna be doing some of the same stuff that I did with my friend Sienna when I went with her, but we're also gonna be doing some different things, so these videos will be different. And also I'm going to try to make it just one long video instead of like 4 kind of short videos. I think that that would go over better. Let me know what you think in the comments if you don't think that that's a good idea, if you would prefer like shorter videos like every 2 days or something. But I think it would be better to do like one long video, and I just feel like it would be easier to edit for some reason. So my mom is flying in tonight actually to watch my dog while we're gone, which is so kind of her. I really appreciate it, and she also gets a vacation out of it too. And then my boyfriend and I leave in like less than 2 days, like a day and a half. I really need to get packed. I've been procrastinating packing all week, but I wanted to show you all what I'm bringing with me on my trip to Tulum on a tropical vacation. So I don't know, let's go get packed. It is so echoey in here. Also, in the beginning of July, I was like, I don't need more clothes. I have more than enough clothes to take with me. I'm not gonna buy anything. And then like this past weekend, the weekend before I leave for my trip, I was like, I need a whole new wardrobe, which is really inconvenient because shipping just takes a while. But I was really sad because the things that I ordered were all shipping from other countries, and I was like, oh my gosh, they're not gonna be here in time. When I got the shipping update, it said that it was gonna be here Monday and we leave on Sunday. But thankfully all of my packages arrived. I even got something from like Princess Polly because they have overnight shipping. So I'm so excited to show you all what I'm bringing with me, especially because I have so many new clothes that I'm bringing. So is this a long intro? I'm really sorry. Let's get started packing. I'm gonna show you all what I'm bringing with me. I think I just said that like 4 times. Oh, actually, one more thing. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below so that I know. Also, comment if you are going on a vacation this year, or if you want to go on a vacation this year. Where are you going, or where do you want to go? Whichever one. And if you want to see more videos like this and from me, and also you want to keep up with my Tulum trip, which will be next week's video, then make sure you subscribe. Yay. Okay, now let's get started actually. I really don't like packing. I love traveling. I'm not a fan of packing. I'm in such a good mood right now. This is gonna be fun. Okay, so before I even get started packing, I like to make sure that all of my electronics that I'm taking with me are charged. So I'm going to charge my GoPro because of course I'm taking that. And I'm also going to charge things like my extra camera batteries since I'm bringing you all with me. And also my AirPods case. That's the other thing I need to charge. So I'm going to get those all charged up so that I don't have to worry about it like day of, or like when I'm leaving, or even when I'm there. I have it all set and ready to go. That's always important. Now that we have everything charging, it's time to start packing our bags. When I travel, I try to only travel with carry-ons. I might need to check a bag because I'm not sure what my boyfriend's bringing and if like he needs extra, but I'm really gonna try to fit all of my stuff into carry-ons, and hopefully he can fit all of his stuff into carry-ons as well. So I have my luggage up there. I just need to bring it down so we can fill her up. Oops. That was heavy. Would you believe I've been working out? I wouldn't. That was hard. This is a carry-on. I'm really gonna try to not overpack so we don't need these giant suitcases. Okay, so we're gonna be using this suitcase and this duffel bag. So I think we can do it. I believe in myself. Oh, let me go get the clothes I bought. All right, got the goods. First we have some bikinis from, I don't know if it's Black Bow or Black Bow. Love that their bag is 100% biodegradable though. I do have a lot of bikinis, not gonna lie. I just wanted more. Oh, it's a box. These stickers, oh my gosh, cute. Here today, gone to vacay. I love these. Hey beach bum, here's some sunshine for you. That's a cute box. I want to get my phone actually. But I lost my phone. Okay, let's take a look at the bikinis I got. We've got a little blue sparkly moment. This is so cute. I'm gonna be shimmering in the sun. We've got a little flower moment that matches my nails. Cute, we love. And we've got a brown moment. These are like such soft bikinis. As much as I hate spending so much money on bikinis, every expensive bikini I've bought is like the softest and like best feeling thing ever. I love it. Also, these were a lot more affordable than a lot of other bikinis that I've seen online, so. And they had really cute designs. I could not pass it up. There were other designs that I wanted, but you know, my bank account would have been upset. Next, we've got stuff from Tiger Mist. Hey girl, I've been thinking about you. Been thinking about you too. We're just doing an unboxing, so I hope you're okay with that. Oh, I just got 2 dresses, and one of them's not even for Tulum. I just really liked it. So I got this dress that said it was brown, but honestly it looks black. Actually, it looks brown in the camera. Maybe just in the sun. But in here it looks black. It's confusing. I thought this was really cute, and you know, if we go to like a nice dinner or something, this would be perfect. And I'm not gonna show you this one because I'm not taking it with me. Or actually, I'll show you, I guess. He talked me into it. I've actually never bought anything from Tiger Mist before. This feels really good quality. So it's just like this little black dress for when I go out. And it has this like mesh over the boobs, which I thought was a really unique feature. Yeah, anyways, we're not wearing that. And last but not least, Princess Polly came through at the last minute when I needed them. Never ordered anything from Princess Polly either. Compostable. Okay, we got a little top. I love that they have solutions for if you don't have like a compost at home, you can, like there's other options other than just like throwing it away. I love that. I got another bikini because I was afraid that my bikinis would not be here in time. Did I actually only get the bottoms? I'm devastated. I thought I got the top too. Oh, it's right here. Oh my god. I was like, why would I only get the bottom? Little flowers. Bottoms are so unique. They're like scrunchy. And this is a dress, I think. As if I didn't just order these like 2 days ago. I can't remember. Oh yeah, this was such a cute dress. Just like a white dress and it like crisscrosses in the back. I just loved the straps. I thought it was so unique. Okay, now let's start packing actually. I think that's it. I know it's a lot, but hold on. Okay, so I pulled pretty much everything out that I think I want to take. I'm not going to take all of it, probably. I also have like 50 bikinis for like a 5-day trip. I don't know. We're going to sort through all this and try to put together some outfits. Okay, I do think I want to bring this. I also really don't want it to get messed up though. This is a maybe. I was going to bring this for like, I don't know, maybe one day if it's by chance cold, but I really don't think it's going to be, so I don't think I need to bring that. I do kind of want to bring all of my shorts because I like having options, but I own a lot of shorts. Okay, maybe we'll leave these shorts. 6 pairs of shorts, and I can almost guarantee I'm gonna be wearing these shorts every single day. They have the white patch on the back. Watch my video when it comes out, my Tulum video, and call me out for wearing these every day and bringing 6 pairs of shorts. Because not only am I bringing 6 pairs of shorts, but I also have 3 pairs of these like terry cloth shorts that I got, and I'm also bringing all 3 of them. That's 9 pairs of shorts, and I can almost guarantee I'm gonna be wearing these pretty much every day. So this is gonna be for if we're going to like a nice dinner. This skirt, I think it's so cute. And I was thinking with this shirt, but now that I'm looking at it, maybe not. I don't know, this is a maybe. But I really like it. Definitely bringing this cute little tropical shirt. This is like the comfiest tank top ever. I also really like this. I feel like I should bring some basic things just in case. Maybe I'll just bring this one basic top and not the tank top. I love these, but I don't think I need them. They're my comfort shorts. I made this. I'll link the video right here making it if you want to check it out. I think I want to bring it. Then I got some dresses. And then I like this like little juicy couture moment. I don't think I'm gonna wear it though, if we're being honest. This is also for if we go out to like a nice dinner. Isn't this so cute? We could bring this little baby tee. And this is a cool shirt, but all of my bikinis are colored. It would be such a vibe. I just don't have a plain white bikini. It's gonna stay. I have nothing for it. I'm gonna bring these little crochet tops, like satin scarves that like this one could be used as a top. This one I'm definitely gonna use as a top probably at some point. This one and the white one too. I was thinking more of like a head wrap kind of thing. So we'll bring those. We're definitely gonna bring this brown dress from Tiger Mist. Oh no, my mom's flight is gonna be late. Okay, and now I think maybe I should narrow down the bikini. There's a lot. It's excessive. Love this. It just feels more like Vegas. Then I have this Juicy Couture top that I thrifted and these like bottoms that I thrifted that are tie-dye. These are cute. We'll take it. I might want an orange moment. This bikini is from VDM, the label. Very cute. Are we thinking tropical though? I do like it. This is a maybe. I actually don't know if I'm feeling this. I don't think I'm gonna take this one. Then I think we're gonna go with this bikini. I got this off of Depop. This one girl made like literally one of these and so many people had it saved because it was like all over Pinterest and like so popular on Pinterest. And I felt so proud to be the one person who got it. So I'm going to take it with me. Then I have this bikini from White Fox. Very tropical compared to the VDM one. Very, very tropical. So I think we're gonna take this one. And now our new bikinis. Oh, I'm also gonna take this dress. They'll just bring all of them. I want options. I think we're gonna leave the VDM one here though. And then I guess we'll take this. We've done it. And by it, I mean nothing. We haven't packed anything. This is where the clothes are gonna go. Put the shorts in first because they take up the most space. Yeah, that took up like all the space in my bag. Okay, I also think I'm gonna add these in and then I'm gonna bring these. I wish I had like the low top platform Converse in black. Maybe I should go buy them. I'm also gonna bring this skirt because it's my fave. Okay, back to packing. And I'll put in my dresses because they also kind of take up space and I don't want to wrinkle them as much. Things that won't wrinkle, I'm gonna like roll them up and just like tuck them places where they fit, I guess. And of course we need underwear, which I won't be showing you. I forgot things to sleep in, so that's in there now. This is the real test. Will it close? Yes, it will. Nice. Okay, shoes. Then we're also gonna put the bikinis with the shoes. That seems like the best plan of action because there's no more room in that bag. No, actually I'm gonna bring my platform Converse. I don't care if they're not black. Okay, I think these will maybe stay, sadly. Okay, time to put the bikinis strategically between the shoes so they fit. I should take the tags off actually. Let me make sure they fit first. I think we're gonna be leaving the Princess Polly bikini behind. Not that it doesn't fit, I'm not like vibing with it for this trip, but I do like it. I'm keeping it. Just not for the trip. Babe, can you bring me some scissors, please? I do not like bathing suit padding. Babe. Babe. Pew, pew. Again, we're gonna strategically place the bikinis between the shoes. Okay, now if that is not a skill, I don't know what is. I should put that on my resume. Okay, I wanted to bring this to do my hair, but it just seems so excessive. I think I might just bring my curling iron. But this is so, I love the way it makes my hair look. We'll just bring the curling iron. Then all that's left to pack is our bath stuff. So let's do that. I almost forgot to bring a towel. So I'm gonna bring just this towel. I think it should be fine. That's all I used last time I went and it was fine. Then I'm gonna empty out this makeup thing because I'm not gonna bring makeup. And all I'm gonna put in there is like my moisturizer and my like face wash and all that kind of stuff. Okay, now that it's empty. So I'm gonna bring this soap thing for my like face washes and stuff. Oh, here's my nighttime face wash. And my morning time face wash. I also think we could fit more in here, so I'm gonna put my razor in here and maybe this. This is my like body wash thing. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit in here though. Oh, space saving. Love it. Okay, next I have my shampoo and conditioner. I use like the bars though, so they're pretty good for like space wise. I just have to open this new box because my other ones are like gone. Then I have this like soap dish slash like carrying container for them for the shampoo and conditioner. Just gonna put that in there. Beautiful. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing, sorry. Here's our little bag that we're taking with us. And then I use the little toothpaste bite things. I'm just gonna put them in this smaller jar that I have. Actually, no, we're gonna save space, hold on. I also have this mouthwash thing that I'm gonna be bringing with me. This is my mouthwash. I'm just gonna add my toothpaste tabs in here because they should fit and that would help me save space. That worked out perfectly. Then I'm just gonna add the things that I use like every day. So my serum, my moisturizer, my sunscreen. Actually, I think I'm just gonna use I got this one because I didn't want to use like this whole one because it's pretty expensive. But I think we'll just use this one on the trip. There's no need to bring 2 face sunscreens. And then bug spray. And I also got this sunscreen for my body. Got this one for my boyfriend, but I didn't realize it's baby sunscreen. So I hope it works the same. But because we're going to someplace really sunny, sunscreen is very important. So my night moisturizer and my deodorant. And then I use a lot of things on my hair, but I'm not gonna bring all of them. So I'm just gonna bring my comb and my Olaplex oil. Also my ear swab thing. I have to pack this better so I can close it. And the only makeup I'm gonna be bringing is mascara and something to fill in my eyebrows. Oh, my floss. I forgot my floss. Then I'm gonna bring this little baggie full of things for my hair, like these little guys, bobby pins, a clip, little clips, a headband. Okay, and I think that's fine for this. Perfect. We did it. This could go here. Then we have so much space left for my boyfriend's things to go in here. Amazing. On the plane, I'm gonna be bringing this backpack. This is what's gonna go under my feet, and this is where I put everything that I need like on the plane. In this backpack, I'm gonna be rolling up this backpack. Actually, no, there's space for it right there. That's where it's gonna go. I just had a mild panic attack because I could not find my passport. Which is very important. Okay, anyway, some of the things that I'm going to be putting in my backpack are, for example, like my GoPro and my technology and stuff. I'm gonna put in this stuffed dog that I take literally everywhere with me. I've had him since I was 4 years old and I bring him everywhere. His name is Cuddles. So he's gonna go in there so he's nice and safe with me on the plane. My like plane book, whatever I'm reading. Also a highlighter. And in the front, I might put stuff like I have some hand sanitizer in here, some jewelry that I want to take. I'm just gonna put that in there. And then all of my like charging cords, my wallet, I want to have like front and center so it's accessible, as well as my AirPods are also gonna go in there. My passport, if it fits in here, is also gonna go in here. Then I might also add in some like sunglasses that I want to take but that I don't want like squished in here even though they have a case. And then I have my neck pillow, which I'm not really sure how I would put it on here. That's everything. That is all I am bringing with me to Tulum. It's a lot. It's not all. I mean, I make it sound like it's like nothing. It's a lot. For 5 days, a lot of stuff. That's okay. I need options. I can't just like decide everything before I leave because I change my mind so often. It's very annoying. But yeah, that's everything that I'm going to be bringing with me to Tulum. I'm so excited for my trip. I can't wait. Thank you all so much for helping me pack for Tulum. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I don't know. Hopefully it was like relaxing or informative, I guess, if you're looking to go on a trip and you don't know what to bring. I like watching pack with me's, but not when I'm packing to go somewhere. I don't really know what the point of them is. But anyways, I hope you found this entertaining at least. And if you did and you liked it, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below so that I know. And don't forget to comment either where you are traveling or where you want to travel this year, either one. And also leave a comment down below if you would prefer one long week in Tulum video, which I think would be best because then I can show like everywhere I'm eating and everywhere we're going and all that kind of stuff. Or if you would prefer separate, shorter videos. I think I'm just gonna do a longer one. I'm really sorry. But anyways, if you want to be one of the first to see that video from Tulum, be sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss it. And also, I guess, turn on notifications so you don't miss it and you get notified when I post it. Or if you just want to see more videos like this and or from me, then also subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I'd love to have you here. So I hope you're all getting ready for your trip too, because you are coming along with me to Tulum, and I will see you all in Tulum in my next video. Bye.